Hi folks, this is Vic Varity, my wife Linda. We're hosting a safety and reliability inspection at our garage for the Model A Club.
What do you have? Oh, okay.
We've been doing this about 15 years, except for 1 year with the COVID. And but yeah, we gathered the people around here, fix up the cars a little bit, get to talk to the people, and we have fun.
Well, that's parking.
This guy knew. He knew.
Wow.
I like the camaraderie. I like to see the people. And I like to see cars that work.
Oh, man. That thing may not even hold up.